Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly in negative territory amid choppy trades on Friday, as investors turned cautious ahead to the release of the US Labor Department's closely watched monthly jobs report on Friday. The monthly jobs data could have a significant impact on the outlook for whether the US Federal Reserve will raise interest rates at its meeting later this month. The Japanese market declined after opening higher, as investors turned cautious ahead of the release of the crucial US monthly jobs data later in the day. In addition, a slightly stronger yen weighed on exports stocks. In late morning trades, the benchmark Nikkei 225 index is losing 0.67%. US crude oil ended higher for a second straight session on Thursday, tracking the continued uptick in global stock markets despite the dollar strengthening, and notwithstanding the more than expected increase in the weekly crude stockpiles report from the Energy Information Administration. Crude oil futures for October delivery, the most actively traded contract, gained $0.50 or 1.1% to settle at $46.75 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange Thursday. In the currency market, the US dollar traded in the lower 120 yen range on Friday, down slightly from Thursday close in Tokyo. The data reach week closes to face a long weekend as the US celebrates Labor Day next Monday. US August employment report 12:30 GMT. Non-farm payrolls are expected to have increased by 220,000 in August, very close to the average of 225,000 since January 2013, and only slightly higher than the 215,000 in July. The unemployment rate is expected to have fallen slightly to 5.2% from July's 5.3%. All in all, a very average report. It is difficult to see how the August jobs report could have much impact on the Federal Reserve's decision on whether to hike rates or not at its September meeting. Even large deviations from the consensus numbers would be just one data point and not materially change the big picture. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.